ZETA is up today about 16.5%, and I wanted to do an update because it's been a while. As you guys remember, or if not, we'll get you up to speed. We added ZETA to our weekly watch list, and we were trading this back here in April. Main reason for this is price pulled back into our smart money zone. Weekly BX trender closed higher low on Monday the 21st, and since then price has been expanding to the upside. We saw highs of about 77% from the initial time that we added it to the watch list, but as of recent, price was pulling back a little bit. Now, we just recently had earnings, which were very, very strong. Now, if we look first at this weekly time frame, you're going to see that as we are headed into earnings, we're pulling back into this support level on the THT volume profile. Now, the THT volume profile's red, this line right here, is called the point of control. This is going to be the biggest area of volume on the 150-week chart. So over 150 weeks, the highest area of volume was seated at $18, which is going to act as a very strong support and a very strong resistance level. So as price is pulling back into the support, there's a very good chance that we're expecting a bounce to occur, which is exactly what happened. Now, if we zoom into the daily time frame, you are going to see that we have bounced in the past couple of days, obviously from earnings. And if we actually overlay a weekly BX trender, you're going to see that it is no longer showing dark red, and instead we are beginning to flip to light red. This is normally an indication of macro buyers stepping into the market, and normally going to be an indication that price is going to go for another expansion or another breakout to the upside. So going into tomorrow's candle for Thursday, and more importantly Friday, we really need to see this weekly BX trender close like this. That will be a good indication of a continued breakout up to $26 to $27. Now, before that $26 to $27 breakout can happen, we also need to make sure that we're going to take out this $20 resistance level. Much like what we just said on the weekly time frame with that point of control in the volume profile, the same deal happens on the daily. This is a strong resistance level. So there's still a chance that price could reject and we continue to sell off. But if we get continued buying pressure after this earnings push and we're able to sweep or break through this resistance of $20, this is where we would see that parabolic move back up to $23 to maybe even $25 to the upside. So as of right now, I'm still very bullish on ZETA. I'm still holding a good portion of my original position, and we will see how this plays out the rest of the week. If you want to get access to all of the indicators that we use in these videos, as well as learn how to implement them within the strategy, go ahead and check out the link to our trading library down below. You'll get access to the BX Trender, the Smart Money Mastery and Smart Money Zones, and the volume profile. Each course shows you how to actually set up the indicators, the proprietary settings. Over 20,000 students have implemented this into their trading system and are seeing consistent profits from as low as $10,000 all the way up to over $3 million. The link will be in the description.